Hello and welcome to the second of 3 videos featuring the display system for the Wersi High Definition series instruments. In this video we will be looking at the Sounds menu. The Sounds menu provides a facility for manually running any of the high definition software applications installed on the system. Mac users will recognize this menu as a standard file manager window used by the operating system to display the contents of a folder. To construct this menu, we simply place the appropriate files for the various software applications into this folder, modify their icons, and change their names to better reflect their respective sounds and instruments. All these files, when selected, have been set to automatically open up their corresponding sample player and simultaneously load a particular virtual instrument. There are 2 types of file that we can use: executable files and configuration files. An executable file would be the sample player program. A configuration file would be the data for the sample player, specifying the virtual instruments, their various settings and presets. So let's see how this works. The classical and theatre pipe organs are played by the Hauptwerk player. This application provides a number of identical executable files, and each one of these can be configured to automatically load a different virtual instrument. For the Hauptwerk player, we use each of these separate executable files to select, load and play a pipe organ. The orchestral instruments are played by the Contact player. This application holds its configuration data in a multi-file. All operating systems provide a facility for automatically invoking an application when its corresponding data file is selected. So for the Contact player, we use the multi-file to select, load and play our orchestral instruments. The Hammond Organ is played by a VB3 plugin running in a VST host called MainStage. This application holds its configuration data in a concert file. So for the MainStage player, we use the concert file to select, load and play our Hammond Organ. Adopting this approach means that we can have as many variants of our application software as we wish, and there is no limit to the number and type of applications packages that can be accommodated in the Sounds menu. Once having invoked a particular applications package, we will initially want to set up our various high-definition sounds and registrations within that package. For this we would use the mouse or trackpad connected to our second processor, and also a standard computer keyboard. The upgrade manual provides specific details on how this can be achieved for particular packages. Once this is completed, we are then able to select our sounds and registrations directly from the OAS using our external MIDI program change codes, either as individual sounds or programmed into total presets. So during live play, everything is controlled from the OAS, and the display would typically be used to show the virtual instruments being played. So there we are, that's the Sounds menu. In the next video, we shall be taking a more detailed look at the Music menu.